Hey guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can register for Barclays Online Banking Account. If you want to access your financial transactions and account histories from anywhere and anytime online, then registering for your online banking account could be the best decision. The process to register for your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. In order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search bar, search for barclays.co.uk. Once you land onto the welcome page of Barclays, go and tap on register option in order to register for your account. Then you'll be directed to the registration page for online banking. And there are a few requirements to meet if you want to register for online banking. In order to register, you need to be residents of UK. Your age needs to be 16 or older. And you need to have a Barclays current or saving account with a bank card or a Barclays mortgage. So scroll down a little, and in order to get started, go and tap on start. Now you need to fill up the details in order to proceed. You need to type in your surname as it appears on your account, then set a date of birth for yourself and enter your postcode. On the account details section, choose your account type, then fill in the card details. Then scroll down to contact details section and enter your email address twice. And select this box if you don't want Barclays to contact you about their products and services. Then once you are done filling the information, go and tap on next. If you haven't previously registered for online banking, you'll be taken to confirmation screen. If you're all set, then go and click on confirm, and you'll be able to log in as soon as you receive your passcode. You can also select the box below if you want the site to remember your membership number. This will speed up logging into online banking in future. So now you can click back to the Barclays homepage, and you can log in anytime now by tapping onto the login option on Barclays page. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.